Welcome! Today we're gonna create a LinkedIn banner which shows all your details and has a cool design touch. So let's begin on Figma. So we start as always with a frame. Just pick any frame, doesn't really matter. Then we check how big the LinkedIn cover has to be. 1128 by 1191. 1128, 1128 by 1191. 1191. 1128, 1191. Okay, cool. Then we take a cool background. So it's really nice. Nowadays in Figma, you can just add the plugin of a splash, which takes you less time. And we just gonna take a cool background. I like always space, has a lot of colors, jumps out on the screen. So we take this one and poof. We got a cool looking background. Yes. Now we're gonna create the card. So you want to have the card in the center. Just make a box, make a card like this, make it a bit like this. Really that it's a card so people know where they have to look at. So center it in the middle. Cool. So in class design, everything is of course glass, so it has to be completely white. Then we change the light. We change the color settings to linear. Move this arrow here, move the other arrow to the other side. Cool, we already have like this glossy look. Then we're gonna add a stroke. Let's call it a stroke of white. Make it 1, that's fine, and then make it linear so it looks as if it is where the light is going. So the light is going here, so we have here some stuff, and the rest we don't. So then we're gonna go to effects, and then not a drop shadow, but a background blur. So you see the background, but it is, yeah, a little bit blurred. Okay, cool. Now we have our glass thingy. So of course you want to add some text. So let's call our guy James Matterson. Of course, you make him always white. Oh, sorry. And then we crank up the text size to, let's say, 47. Oh, that's way too big. Let's go to 37. Still too big. 27. Okay, cool. Yeah. So big. Everybody knows like this guy is called James Matterson. Yeah. Then we're gonna go and add what he is. Of course, everyone wants to know your title. So let's invent a company. So he's the CEO of Chill Space. Of course, the CEO title is less important, so we make it a little bit smaller. Let's make it 25. So it's still too big. 22. Make a nice alignment. As you can see, the white is too much in the left, so we're gonna just put a little bit here so that it pops more up. Okay. Then of course, if it's LinkedIn, you need the details. So let's take a Dutch number. This is a random number, 7867489. Cool. Make show importance again. So make it like 17. Yep. So, and people want to reach you, of course. So I'm gonna add one more, and that is your email address. So j.matterson@chillspace.io. Okay. Now we're gonna, now to give it the last touch, of course you add a cool logo. So, because it's an example, you're gonna make a really simple one. So I call this the space logo. Just make it white, linear, put the guy there, put that guy there. Like this. Yep. Now we're gonna duplicate the guy, make the guy smaller, like this. Yes. And to make it a real logo, of course, there's text in there. So we're gonna add text, which is as. Again, make it white. Oh. So then make that as well linear. Put this. Choose that this black is a little bit more black, like okay. Isn't clear to me, not clear enough. So we're gonna play with this around, make it like a little bit more darker, like this. No, bad logo. So sometimes you have to get these things right. So okay, S. Yep. Oh. Make it white. Yeah. Make it bigger. Make it even bigger. 22. Yes. Place it in the middle. And we're gonna play with the colors again. So we're gonna make a linear. Put this one there. Put that one there. Change the other color. A little bit more dark. Wow, it's cool. Cool. And then we add, of course, come on, duplicate. It's a chill space. So make that really small. So, of course we want to get it pixel perfect. Should be able to be pixel perfect. Yeah. So, and we got it. James Madison CFO chill space. And now, of course, you're not finished. Just go here, go to export, and then make it a PNG. You export and you load it up on LinkedIn. I have a cool looking banner. Good luck and see you next time.